intelligence. Now, emotional intelligence, first of all, as teachers, it is a very essential topic because as teachers, we need the emotional stability when we are in the class. So, to guide us, to train us how to maintain the emotional stability, identify what is our emotional quotient, we have a very eminent person as the CBSE resource person amidst us. And I'm very happy and I'm proud to tell you, the past 2 weeks, whatever interaction and whatever communication I had with Ms. Apurva Pandey ma'am, I feel proud and very happy to say that it is as good as I'm introducing my friend to all of you. The helping attitude, the cooperation, all the time giving the response on whatever queries I had. She responded it so nicely, so humbly, a very down-to-earth person. So she is a resource person, and more than that, I am introducing my friend to all of you. So we have Ms. Apurva Pandey as the CBSE resource trainer with us. She has a bachelor's degree in science, having physics, chemistry, and mathematics as the subject. She has a master's degree in English literature and a BA degree. She has also completed TKT Module 1, Cambridge English Language Assessment. She is also a qualified career counselor. She has a big experience of 27 years in the education sector. She is the director and principal in Channavar's E-Vidya Mandir, Wardha, a CBSE school since December 2013. Served as secondary science teacher and coordinator for training and development wing in Jain International School, Nagpur. She has also served as the secondary science teacher in Bhavan's BP Vidya Mandir, Civil Lines, Nagpur. She has also coordinated for various science-related activities at inter-school level, inter-state level and the national level. Served as secondary supervisor in St. Xavier's High School, Nagpur, supervising the standard of teaching, discipline, directly coordinating with the principal. She has served as a contributory lecturer in Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur, teaching communicative English for 5 years. She is also a resource person for online trainings for teachers on behalf of CBSE. Her other accomplishments are, she has worked as a project guide for CBSE Intel Science Project Competition and CBSE Regional Level Science Competition, where the project was declared winner at the national level. She is also the resource person and the master trainer for conducting capacity building programs for teachers and principals on behalf of the CBSE COE Pune. She can take the trainings on the following topics: classroom management, stress management, adolescent education, upholding ethics and integrity in schools, life skills, experiential learning, happy classrooms, implementation of NEP 2020, master trainer for POXO, and master trainer for school health and wellness program. She has attended many workshops. Some of the workshops, the names I'd like to read out for you. She has participated in regional level teachers training program from 28th December to 30th December 2009 at BBM Nadia in Gujarat. She has also participated in the Principal's Educational Conference in 2012. She has attended workshop on emerging trends in life skill education, Indian context, organized by Council for Teachers Education, Maharashtra State at Nagpur in June 2013. She has also participated in the Capacity Building Program, CCE one-day program on 12 June 2015 by the CBSE agency. She has also attended a POXO Act workshop on POXO Act 2012 organized by the NIPCCD Indore from 2nd August to 3rd August 2018. She has also participated in the workshop on pedagogical planning organized by the Sahodaya School Complex, Nagpur on 16th September 2019. Her other responsibilities shouldered are, she was an evaluator for the CBSE answer sheets for the science subject. She was also the observer for the NEET, CTET and the AISSE board exams. She was also the flying squad member for the CBSE board exam. Right now her is, she is the director and principal of the Channavars E-Vidya Mandir Vatna. She is the deputy district trainer coordinator for CBSE COE Pune. She is also the additional secretary for Nagpur Sahodaya School Complex, Varda and Hingangad district, and she is the master trainer for CBSE COE Pune. So having a big resume, I heartily welcome ma'am on behalf of Father Principal and on behalf of all of you. May I request Father Principal to welcome Ms. Apurva Pandey ma'am with the floor. A very happy welcome to you ma'am.
A warm good morning to each one present here. I take it as my pleasure to be amongst you all today on this rainy day, and I consider these rains, these showers as blessings. So I think the way you look at things, it changes your perspective. So if we consider that these showers are there to welcome me, I think nothing like it. I take it as something very positive that happens because rain brings about growth. Rain brings about development. So maybe this is there to aid us in our journey today, which we are going to have. Am I audible? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. And Hindi English? Yes. Only English? As I please. So between English and Hindi mix, right? So at the outset, I welcome you all for this today's session, which is not going to be boring. Point number one. Training बोलने से होता है 5 hours, कैसे कटेंगे वो 5 hours. I'm sure that you won't have this kind of feeling that let me look at the watch and now I need to go home. Although family members at home today, because it being a public holiday, I understand that. But still, you have come here on a holiday. That gives me a kind of satisfaction that shows your respect, your school's honor to invite me on a holiday. And it was possible because it was a holiday as well for me. What she read in my CV was just something that I had to write and give. I'm not very great. I'm just like you all and one amongst you. Only thing is, little training might have polished me, and maybe I feel that I have a passion for training. I think throughout the game anyway, you will find the same vigor, you will find the same energy that I bear, and I would like to transfer this energy of mine to you and make this day meaningful. क्योंकि इतना 5 मिनट बैठे हैं, सुबह से खाना वाना बना के आए हैं, राइट? तो फिर कुछ तो होना चाहिए, कुछ गजब होना चाहिए. There has to be a zing, there has to be a change. And let us all be together on the same platform because this talks just about emotional intelligence. ये बहुत technical कुछ नहीं है. You can invite all other staff members as well because basically this topic is very close to my heart. बहुत अच्छा topic है. It will improve all relationships in the world. Mother-in-law and daughter, एक relationship को बोला गया है कि that relationship is उनकी सार खट्टी होती है वो relationship. ऐसा नहीं है, सब जगह नहीं होता है. But you can improve all the relationships, student-teacher, teacher-teacher, teacher management, teacher-friend, husband-wife, at home, family members, personal, everywhere. I'm sure at the end of the day you will understand what is emotional first aid. We all know about first aid, but what is emotional first aid? And how do we give that? And what are basically emotions? What is the emotion that we have now? We will be doing one psychological test as well. So I was asking ma'am whether the teachers will be sitting there because they have to write something and take down some notes. Okay. So let me take the opportunity once again to welcome you all today on this auspicious rainy day, which was not expected, and let us have a wonderful, meaningful day today. Is it okay if or you want me to zoom it? I'll break it down for you. The title of this is Just Think. It's kind of setting of the theme. I have to set the theme. I want to, go to the topic for which I have to set the theme. So I'm going to do the theme setting with this. Just think. बस सोचना है आपको. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ उसको सोचना है. The paradox of our time in history is that we have taller buildings but shorter tempers, wider freeways, narrower viewpoints. We spend more but have less. We buy more but enjoy less. We have bigger houses and smaller families, more conveniences but less time. We have more degrees but less sense, more knowledge but less judgment, more experts but more problems, more medicines but less wellness. We've learned how to make a living but not a life. We've added years to life, not life to years. There are times of fast food, Maggi, pasta, fast food, burgers, pizza, but slow digestion, tall men and short character, steep profits and shallow relationships. There are times of world peace, Ukraine, we're talking of Israel, but there is domestic warfare, domestic violence at home. More leisure but less fun. More free time but less fun. More kinds of food but less nutrition. It's time when we can choose either to make a difference or to shrug off and say forget it. Agree? Some of them were really very good. The easiest ones were, there are times of world peace and domestic violence. Classic. People go out and talk about, violence and, ऐसे हो रहा है, ये country में ऐसे हो रहा है, उन्होंने ऐसे करना चाहिए. But at home end, घर में जो होता है, that is all neglected. There's domestic violence and people go out and talk big things. How relevant is this? Is it not having two faces, one inside and one outside? All were contrast. Fast food and slow digestion.
Yes, you are looking very beautiful today. Smiling faces. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Did you enjoy your Diwali vacation? Okay, so we'll study now and we'll talk on gravitation. Okay? So all are ready? Keep your books ready. Okay, children? Children, just open your book and read that. I just have an important work. Okay? I heard you have given gravitation. Don't you feel it is outdated? Please just think. Otherwise, we will sit and discuss. Do you think, madam, like that? Okay, we will discuss. We will discuss. Okay, I'm not going against you. Just we will discuss. Then whatever if it is fruitful, that particular product we will do. We will discuss and we will do. Okay?
Everybody sit down. Good students, good teacher, good class.
Thank you, madam.
Student is differently able and is teased by fellow students. And this situation were divided into 2 days. So the first day begins.
Good morning everyone. Sit down please. Welcome to the class. Now today we will start our day with today's attendance. Answer roll call please. Purnima. Asha.
Present teacher.
Rachna. Be quiet. Rachna. Priyanka. Mangala. Okay. Madhavi. Okay, that means only Mangala is absent today. She is in late comers. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now today we will start our day with the trigonometry. Okay. So basic concept of trigonometry I am going to teach here. Okay. We will take actually trigonometry is applicable to the right triangle. Okay. So we will draw the figure first. This is the right triangle. Okay. The longest side is the hypotenuse, and now we will learn the trigonometric ratio. So first ratio is sin theta. Sin theta, to take the value of sin theta, we have to consider the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Okay? Asha, did you get? Any doubt is there? Wait. Be quiet, students. Don't behave like this. Okay? Okay, just a minute. Mangala is going. Yes. Wait. Hello, yes, students. Be quiet. Let us sit there. Yes, sit down, please. Mangala. See here. Mangala and Asha both are your classmates. So your behavior is not good. Okay, for them. So now today we have one session. We have a resource person, great personality, who is going to tell about the emotional intelligence to us. Okay. So I am going to welcome Ashfaq sir here. Sir, please. And give the great session to our students.
So what is important in this session? You must have emotionally strong, but you should not tease others. You have to understand others' feelings. I found some students are teasing others. This is not good. Next time, remember, you have to motivate them, inspire them, appreciate their activities. If you find any weakness there, you become their strength. Teach them. I hope next time you will. Okay. Thank you.
So you had a great session here, and I hope from tomorrow you will behave properly here. Okay, so that's all for today.
Now, second day begins.
Good morning, all of you. Sit down, please. I hope what we had taken yesterday, that is related to trigonometry, you got the concept. So once again, I am asking you, do you have any doubt? Madhvi, do you have any doubt? Asha, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am. Yes, all of you say sorry to both of them, Mangala and Asha. Okay, you got your mistake, and that's like my great students. Thank you.
And the situation is one of the student in the class is repeatedly stealing things from his friends. And now the first situation is how the teacher behave normally with such student.
Good morning, children. Yes, Tabassu, what are you doing? What's going on? Yes, pen not getting? Yeah. Yes. Who has taken what's going on in my class here? Radhika, come here. Come fast. Radhika, come fast. What I am saying, Radhika, come forward here. Stand here. Stand here. Here. Yes, monitor, confronter. Yes, shake her back. You just stop. Don't say anything. Yes, yeah. Sit, just stop. Don't say anything now. Yes. Yes, yes. It's yours. It's yours. What's this, Radhika? Now you don't say anything. I don't bother you now, okay? Now I tell to father, okay? I complain to father. You call your parents tomorrow. I want to talk to your parents now. Don't say anything now. Stop. Don't say anything now. I'm going to father. I'm going to call. I'm going to complain to father. No, no, stop. No, I don't listen. Please sit down.
Now the situation is same, but after attending Apurva Pandey's session on nurturing emotional intelligence in teachers, how the teacher behaves. Okay, now the second situation.
सुप्रभात। अरे वाह, अरे बच्चे बहुत थक गए। क्यों? क्या हो गया? चलो, कल मैंने जो डांस सिखाई थी, वो डांस करेंगे? अच्छा, वेरी गुड। गीता, सामने आ जाओ। जैसे गीता करेगी, सेम वैसे करें। ओके? 1, 2, 3। 1, 2, 3। वेरी गुड। अब अच्छा लग रहा है सबको? क्यों? तबस्सुम क्या हो गया? ऐसे कैसे क्लासेस चोरी हो गई? पेट किसने लिया? पहले भी हुआ था। किसने चोर लिया? ऐसे नहीं होता है। ऐसे नहीं। राधिका चोर नहीं है। बहुत अच्छी लड़की है। नहीं, राधिका इधर आओ। नहीं नहीं डर नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा। कुछ नहीं राधिका, डरना नहीं बेटा। ओके राधिका, आपने नहीं बेटा, ओके राधिका
purposefully doing it to distract everybody's attention. See, there is one more light to this. Some children in the class would do it just to get attention. Attention seeking. Time waste hota hai. They want the teacher to give them attention. They are not able to get very good marks. So how to seek the attention of the teacher? So this is one way to get attention. Negative way, of course. It's not a positive way. I'm not advocating that the children do this, but I just want you to understand why part of it. Role play is good, but then I wanted you to understand, talk to the parents, understand why she's doing it. Talk to the earlier class teacher. Was it a every time affair? हर बार वो कर रही है. So try to connect the dots. If you connect the dots, maybe a different story can come up. Are you getting my point? Yes. So different story can come up, which I told you a story which happened with my school child. First, everybody was thinking the child is not well, so not coming to school. Teacher calling up, mummy phone नहीं उठाती थी, कुछ नहीं. There was no response. Teacher used to send a WhatsApp message, no response. So these things happen. This happens, and that is why I've given all real life situations. Right? So understand why part of it. Group has not understood why part of it. So next time, next group onwards, you will need to understand why the behavior of the child is like that. Right?
And parent is agree with words or performance. And first condition is that when we will behave normally.
This is 5th day class. Where is Nina ma'am? She is teaching math. Nina ma'am, my God, got less marking maths. He is doing everything, revision, everything every day. Still he is getting less mark. Why? What is the reason behind that?
Actually, madam, I can understand. Maths is very tough because over the years children have a problem.
But he is doing revision every day. Still he is getting less mark. That what you are doing in the class then? That is your responsibility to take his revision and everything.
You must understand my problem. See, all the children are teaching same only.
No, but I am asking about my work. I don't want to just see others plus what they are doing.
See, listen, what I am telling. Maths actually is a subject you have to practice.
He is doing everyday practice. I am also taking. She is also taking. Then also he is getting less mark.
Okay, so now our principal came up with a new solution.
No, I will go to the father and I will ask and I will tell you one thing.
Listen to me, don't go to our principal now. First you
No, anyhow I will do. That is your responsibility. Even my Bible school he told me that he write everything is correct and he came with the full revision and then he got the 49 only out of 80. How is it possible now?
Okay, I can understand your problem. One thing what I am telling, over the years this was the same problem, but when the new principal came, he gave us a good solution. He has appointed one psychologist. So Father Joshi is there, so we can refer to him.
No, but what is now term one is over now. So we are getting the less marks and the average become less.
No, it's okay. What you are telling, I can understand the problem.
No, anyhow I will go to the father. We will say that I will tell your name to the father.
Okay, you can go to Father Principal first. You understand my situation.
Okay, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, sir, she is very talkative. Always she is distracting and always वो उसका ध्यान ही नहीं रहता है.
मेरी बेटी झूठ नहीं बोल सकती कभी भी। आप बोल रहे हो।
मैं समझ सकती हूँ, but वो हर दिन का है. हर सभी चीजें डालती है. Every day she is crying and distracting the whole.
मैं तुम्हारी कंप्लेंट करूँगा। स्कूल के ऊपर कंप्लेंट डालूंगा।
That's my Sharma. Ma'am, Mother of Shanti. Okay.
ma'am explained that first listen to me. Maths is a difficult subject. Please do not use negative terminologies, I would say. That maths is a difficult subject. Science is a difficult subject. If you as a subject teacher use the word difficult, immediately the psychology changes. So try as far as possible, when you are talking, make it positive. Let us work together. We can do it. Come on a Saturday. Your child can ask me doubts. So you have to change your terminology. Communication skill is one thing which is very important when you are doing emotional intelligence. How you deal with the emotions of others. यही तो emotional intelligence है. Understanding your emotions. The parents kept shouting, but she was cool. Nina ma'am was cool. She was listening to them. So empathetic. Because otherwise the relationship will spoil then. The children will go away from here. And saying that I will complain. She said okay. But she told them that first listen to me what I am saying. So this is how you have to deal and understand what is their difficulty. I explained you what is cognitive block. I explained you mental block. Children have mental block for maths. Mental block for maths. So try out how to solve that mental block for maths. They go into the consequences. If you tell this to parents, parents understand कि यही सब हो रहा है. किसी के शायद आपके भी बच्चे कोई स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, कॉलेजेस में पढ़ रहे हैं, one particular subject they are not able to do it. So there is a reason for it. Identify the reason. Tell them that I will sit with the child. Identify where is it learning difficulty. Is it only during the exam? It is distress. Distress is overstress is forgetfulness. हमको बहुत काम जिस दिन रहते हैं तो हम भूल जाते हैं कुछ चीजें. So because of overstress, it causes forgetfulness. So is it because the child has taken overstress, the child is not able to learn the formula area of a triangle is equal to half length into breadth. ये भी बच्चे भूल जाते हैं. आपको बहुत आश्चर्य लगेगा कि ये तो मैंने इतने बार क्लास में करवाया है, इसके ऊपर 100 न्यूमेरिकल्स ले चुकी हूँ, then still the child is not able to write in the exam. For you and me, it is like सब कुछ आश्चर्य लगता है. We are surprised that I have taken so much pains and still the child is not able to do it. It happens. Let us understand that it happens. Only try to understand why it happens. I have worked with this. This is a girl in 8th standard. And she has the same problem. Every day she was good only in maths. Her performance was below average. All of the subjects she was 80 plus. Same the parent came to me that change the teacher. Now half yearly and how can I change the teacher? And where the teacher will be replaced then? So I started working with her. Every day I would call her in my cabin, sit with her for a few 15-20 minutes, not more than that. I would tell her that maths is such and such subject, you can do it. That kind of confidence and really hats off I should say that she has overcome that. Because she would go into the consequences. मैं फेल हो जाऊंगी, तो मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी. तो वो when she used to write the paper, she had all those thoughts. So try counseling the children, counseling the parents. I think it works. Thank you. We move on.
Our situation is a student is not submitting the homework regularly for correction in spite of regular follow-up. So this is the scene 1. The regular class goes on before any kind of seminar or anything. It's a not-right behavior of the teacher as well as the students.
Good morning, sit down. So, you know very well, yesterday I taught you about photosynthesis. Do you remember? Good. And I gave you homework also. Yes or no? So, I hope you have done the homework. All of you done the homework? Those who have not done the homework, please raise your hands. I said raise your hands. First raise your hands. Stand up all of you. Those who are not done the homework. I said stand up. Stand up. You also stand up. I said stand up. I will stand out of the class. Stand up first. Stand up, I said. Stand up. You 4 students are not doing in the class. You are happy sure you are not doing the homework. I don't want to see your face in my class. You are consistently inconsistent in doing the homework. Get out of my class. Get out of my class. Get out like that. Send them out. Monitor, send them out.
Please, last time.
No, last time. Your last time is over already. Go. I said that I don't want to see your face. Get out. Get out. Show me your planner. I will write to your parents. Where is your planner? Bring it. Right? Now sign. I am not a number. You also write. Written? What is written? You will not sit in my class until I listen to homework. Understood? Stay here. Look at them. And if you want to homework, you will get the same punishment. Listen it carefully. You will feel the same punishment.
Now, after 1 week, before that, our principal, Jason, has arranged a wonderful seminar on Guru Nanak Jayanti for the teachers on nurturing emotional intelligence by Apurva Pandey ma'am. So let's see if any change, any use of emotional intelligence the teacher does in the class.
Good morning, sit down. How are you? How are your holidays? Enjoy? Yes, sir. Critical? Yes. Brought for me? Yes. Good. So, dear students, you look very well. We learned about the photosynthesis yesterday. Yes? Sure? Sure? Son, I know you are not lying, but homework was given to you. Yes? 100%? So I hope you have done the homework. Yes, sir. Some are not saying no, some are not saying anything. So all of you done the homework? Okay, so those who have not done the homework, can you raise your hands? Can you raise your hands? Okay, so 4 of you have not done the homework. No problem. Kanika, Ritika, Sneha, Aisha, come here, beta. Come here. Come, no problem. Come. Nothing will happen. Okay, do it. No problem. Come. Nothing will happen. Come. Leave it. It will break down. Come here, beta. Come. Don't get scared of me. Okay, Kanika, why you not done, beta?
Sir, I used to not understand anything in the class.
You should ask me. Next time when you don't understand anything, please ask me. Okay? And do the homework. So, Sneha, what happened, beta?
Actually, sir, I went out of the station, that's all.
Okay, no problem. You take somebody else's book and complete the homework.
Okay, sir.
Okay, will you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Kanika, did you observe, sir, totally changed now?
Deepika, what happened, beta? Don't cry. What happened? Tell me.
So I was absent, I was sick.
Okay, now how are you now? Okay. Take 2 days time and complete the homework. Okay, if you need any help, you can ask. Okay, don't cry. Aisha, what's your problem, beta? Tell me, what's your problem?
My mother is admitted in hospital. So that's
Now, is she okay now? Is she looking good?
not okay.
Okay, so now we have 2-3 days time, complete the homework.
Yes.
Okay, take care of your mother also. And if you get it time, just complete the homework also. Okay? Okay, any problem, beta? Good, sit down.
Earlier, the same class was hesitating to share the books or notes with these students who are regularly not completing the homework or they were not able to do it in time. So now the class also, because of the teacher's attitude, how the class changes, that also changes.
your hands. Say yes. Yes. Okay, sit down. So, homework done, beta? Yes, sir. Good, all of you done the homework? Yes, sir. Everyone? Yes, sir. Good. Good. Thank you.
Emotions lead to thoughts and thoughts lead to behavior. So always, as they did, finding out the reason why. See, all cases, in a class of 40, you will have a mixed bag. 5 of them will not complete. But let us target 35. Why waste 35? It's a colossal waste of time if your teacher keeps on scolding in the class. और वो ईगो पॉइंट पे आ जाता है, you go out of the class, 5 minutes are wasted, and why burn our blood? You are boiling your own blood. For what? Take your time, let the class get over, and then handle the issue. So emotionally, you should be good enough to tackle this at the end of the class and not in the beginning. Otherwise, our teaching time is wasted, and those who are teaching higher classes feel short of time, like SST, maths, science, you're not able to complete the portion.
And the situation is, two high school students have differences and are using abusing words in the class. Teacher enters the class. Bad words? Why? आप लोगों ने उनको रोकना चाहिए था ना, ऐसे बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए था। हमेशा ऐसे करते हो आप। I talk with their parents and then sort out the matter। क्यों आप ऐसे नहीं करना है? इसके बाद चलो फ्रेंडशिप करो, पहले फ्रेंडशिप करो। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। देखो 8वीं क्लास में जब पढ़ते हो ना तो इस तरह का बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए एक दूसरे के साथ। कम ऑन, सीख जाओ। और अगर कभी भी गुस्सा है तो पहले काम डाउन करना चाहिए, रिलैक्स करना चाहिए, और आप लोगों ने भी अपने फ्रेंड्स को समझाना चाहिए। देखो
आप बहुत अच्छे हैं मैम, आपकी वजह से हम लोग बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड रहेंगे। यस मैम, यस मैम।
टीचर कितने अच्छे हैं, सिचुएशन में कितने अच्छे हैंडल किए।
थैंक यू।
So we will show first situation.
आज हम हिंदी का पोएम पढ़ेंगे, सीखेंगे उसको विद एक्शन। तो सब लोग खड़े हो जाना। गुड। तो अब जैसे जैसे मैं करूंगी वैसे आपको भी पोएम बोलना भी है एक्शन के साथ। मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी। वेट वेट वेट, टिफिन ब्रेक। हाँ हाँ ओके, सब लोग अपने टिफिन लेके चलो टिफिन ब्रेक के लिए। सब लोग शेयर करेंगे। यस, इन ग्रुप ओनली 6 आर देयर, 6 ही बैठेंगे। गुड। ओपन योर टिफिन, ओपन द टिफिन। Don't talk, open it. Okay. Yes. क्या हुआ बेटा? आप क्यों अकेले बैठे हो? सुनो। क्या हुआ? Why बेटा? Tell me why? Why you alone?
मैम, अभी जो परीक्षा हुई ना उसमें मुझे बहुत कम नंबर आए, तो मेरे मम्मी पापा मुझे बहुत डांटे और मेरी वजह से मेरे मम्मी पापा के बीच में बहुत झगड़े हो गए। मम्मी को मेरे पापा कहते कि तू इस पर ध्यान ही नहीं देती है, इसलिए मैं बहुत नाराज हूँ।
नो प्रॉब्लम। कौन से सब्जेक्ट में कम मिला था?
हिंदी में।
हिंदी में ठीक है। आपको जो भी कठिनाई है तो वो आप हिंदी टीचर से आके मिलिए, खुद से पढ़िए। नो प्रॉब्लम। इतना सैड मत होना। जो भी घर में चल रहा है हम लोग मम्मी पापा से बात करेंगे, हम लोग काउंसलिंग करेंगे। यू डोंट वरी। चलो अभी क्लास में जाएंगे। चलो।
Now, after counseling and training taken from Apurva ma'am, let us see what changes we have implemented and how we can deal with the students.
गुड मॉर्निंग। सुनो बच्चों, सिट डाउन। सुनो, कल मैंने एक ऑब्जर्व किया। हम लोग सब 2 ग्रुप में बैठे थे। बस एक ही बच्चा मेरे क्लास का अकेला बैठा था। मैंने सोचा ऐसा क्यों हुआ। जब मैंने उससे पूछा तो उसने मुझे प्रॉब्लम बताया। तो हम लोग वो अकेली क्लास में नहीं है ना, हम सब उसके फ्रेंड्स हैं। सो यू हैव टू आस्क व्हाट हैपेंड। उसको अपने साथ बिठाना है, उसको अपने साथ लेना है, उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या वो समझना है। तो कल मैंने उससे बात की। तो आज अपना काम क्या है कि उसको साथ में लेके उसके साथ बात करेंगे, उसके साथ फ्रेंडशिप करेंगे, उसको भी साथ में अपना टिफिन शेयर करेंगे और एंजॉय करेंगे। सो कल हमने जो पढ़ा थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे, फिर हम लंच ब्रेक के लिए जाएंगे। सो कल मैंने जो मछली जल की रानी पढ़ाया था, आज भावना आके उसको मुझे बोल के दिखाएंगे विद एक्शन। यस करो भावना। मछली जल की मछली है, जेवर है। हाँ ठीक से बोलो बेटा, जेवन तो बाद में है। मछली जल की रानी है। वेरी गुड। अब हम कोमल से, कोमल आ जाओ, सबको सिखाएंगे हो। सब लोग खड़े हो जाना, उसके साथ साथ हम भी करेंगे।
मछली जल की रानी है, मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन का पानी है, जीवन का पानी है, हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, हाथ लगाओ।
ओ वेल वेल डन। चलो टिफिन ब्रेक। चलो टिफिन निकालो। गुड। देखो आज वो सबसे घुल मिल के बात भी कर रही है, खाना भी खा रही है। गुड।
So here we have implemented little bit, not all, but if we deal with the problems of students, what they are facing, we can manage their problem as well as we can deal with their situations also. Then it will make it easier to teacher also how they can understand the situation of students. Thank you.
That was really good. And thank you so much for doing it so well within the frame of time, because everybody wants to go home, I'm sure. So what exactly I would be doing is I'm going to wrap up the entire thing with a beautiful motivational video. It's not very long, it's just 2 minutes video. And then I will be expressing my gratitude to all of you. So let's watch the video immediately.
एक बार एक एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन को क्रैक करने की बहुत कोशिश करी, बहुत मेहनत करी, लेकिन उसके बाद भी उसको क्रैक नहीं कर पाई, जिसकी वजह से वो अंदर से पूरी तरह से टूट गई। बहुत परेशान परेशान रहने लगे, दुखी रहने लगे। उसके पिता से अपनी बेटी की हालत देखी नहीं। फिर उन्होंने एक दिन अपनी बेटी को बुलाया और उन्होंने अपनी बेटी को कहा कि तुम मेरे साथ एक बार किचन में चलो, मुझे तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना है। किचन में पहले से उन्होंने गैस स्टोव के ऊपर 3 बोल रखे हुए थे। फिर उन्होंने उन 3 बोल्स के अंदर पानी भरा, एक के अंदर कुछ आलू डाले, एक के अंदर कुछ अंडे और एक के अंदर कॉफी बीन्स, और उसको उबलने के लिए छोड़ दिया। उसके बाद में 5 मिनट हो गए, 10 मिनट हो गए, 20 मिनट हो गए, और वो वहां पर खड़े रहे अपनी बेटी के साथ में उसको देखते रहे। तो बेटी अंदर से थोड़ी सी इरिटेट होने लगी कि ये क्या कर रहे हो। तो उसके पिता ने कहा कि सिर्फ 1 मिनट और हो, तुमको सब समझ आ जाएगा। फिर उसके बाद में एक एक करके उन्होंने गैस स्टोव को बंद किया और जो पहला बोल था उसमें से आलू निकाल करके एक प्लेट में रख दिया। दूसरे बोल में से उन्होंने अंडे निकाले और निकाल करके एक और प्लेट में रख दिया, और तीसरे बोल में से जो कॉफी थी उसको छान करके एक कप के अंदर भर दिया और वो वहीं सामने स्लैब पे रख दिया और अपनी बेटी से पूछा कि तुम्हें क्या दिख रहा है। तो उनकी बेटी को थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आ गया। उसने कहा कि इसमें देखना क्या है, एक में आलू है, एक में अंडे है और एक में कॉफी। तो उसके पिता ने कहा कि एक बार इनको छू करके देखो, शायद तुमको समझ आए। तो उसने सबसे पहले आलू को छुआ, तो जब उसको छुआ थोड़ा सा दबाया तो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट हो चुके थे। तो उसके बाद उसके पिता ने अंडे को तोड़ा तो वो हार्ड थे। और फिर उसके पिता ने वो कॉफी वाला कप उठाया और अपनी बेटी को कहा कि एक बार इसको सूंघ करके देखो। तो जब उनकी बेटी ने उस कॉफी को सूंघा तो उसके चेहरे पर एक स्माइल आया। फिर उसके पिता ने अपनी बेटी को कहा कि तुमने ध्यान से देखा कि क्या हुआ यहाँ पर। ये तीनों ही बिल्कुल एक ही सिचुएशन में गए, लेकिन तीनों ने अलग अलग तरीके से रिस्पॉन्ड किया। तो पहला यानी कि आलू जब हमने उसको उस पानी में डाला था उससे पहले वो बहुत ही हार्ड थे, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, लेकिन गर्म पानी में जाने के बाद वो अंदर से बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट हो गए, यानी कि कमजोर पड़ गए। दूसरे थे अंडे, जो गर्म पानी में जाने से पहले अंदर से बिल्कुल ही कमजोर थे, लेकिन गर्म पानी में जाने के बाद अंदर से स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गए। तीसरी थी कॉफी, जिसने कुछ ऐसा किया जो दोनों से बिल्कुल अलग था, यानी कि उसने उस गर्म पानी में जाने के बाद में खुद को नहीं बदला बल्कि उस पानी को भी बदल दिया। बिल्कुल इसी तरह से हमारी जिंदगी में भी होता है। तुम्हारे ऊपर है कि तुमको तीनों में से क्या बनना है। एक आलू की जैसा, यानी कि जब तुम्हारी जिंदगी में कोई मुश्किल आए तो तुम अंदर से पूरी तरह से डूब जाओ, यानी कि कमजोर पड़ जाओ। दूसरा अंडे के जैसा, यानी कि जैसे ही तुम्हारी जिंदगी में कुछ मुश्किलें आए वो मुश्किलें तुमको अंदर से तोड़े नहीं बल्कि तुम अंदर से और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाओ। या फिर तीसरा यानी कि कॉफी के जैसा, मतलब कि जब तुम्हारी जिंदगी अपनी जिंदगी को ही बदल दो।
खुद के प्रेजेंस से you change everything. I think all of us should be like coffee beans. Our presence should make all the difference. I extend my gratitude to Father for having invited me over here. I take it as a blessing to be in the positive campus with such positive and vibrant teachers, not seen before. Wonderful people, wonderful teachers. It was amazing. Even I learned something from the role plays. The kind of acting, the kind of, getting into the whole system. That was awesome. It was fantastic being over here as a resource person today. I am amongst you all, only that little more trained, but of course, you can also come up to this level. God bless you all. My blessings to each one of you. Let's make our life worthwhile, because we have been gifted by God and to do something for the society, something for our own children, something for our family. Keep doing your best and giving your little to the school and your own children. Thank you so very much. I conclude my session with this. Thank you so much.
Use at home for the family issues. Obviously, that will reflect at school, right? If it's through personality disorders, supposedly, if he's showing narcissistic personality disorders, so it will be very difficult for teacher to concentrate on him or her at a very short span of time. And those kind of character or personalities, you would accept that they are going through something like that. And especially this kind of people comes from family also, from parents also. How to deal with those kind of students?
Basically, the case is beyond your understanding and comprehension. There's a child helpline. Are you aware of that? there's a child helpline, and 24/7, Government of India has Ministry of Women Empowerment has a helpline number which is a toll-free number, and the website is Kiran and Manodarpan. Kiran and Manodarpan, you can even note down. Even if you have cases like this and you want to discuss your own case, confidentiality is maintained. I have Neeta. So Manodarpan, I'll give you, pass on the number. But counseling the parents, if the child is undergoing abuse, the child is not ready to accept, I think counseling somebody who is receptive. Sometimes they take a session on how teachers can do counseling. There are different methods called as directive method, non-directive method, eclectic method, psychodynamic method, and CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy. So you all also can use these therapies at home and classrooms.
Teachers, so your smile tells everything. And it was definitely a wonderful session presented by Apurva ma'am, and we all enjoyed, and definitely we have something to take home and to implement tomorrow onwards in our classes, in our daily life, with our own children and of course with our students in the school. So on behalf of Father Principal and all of you, I thank ma'am.
Maybe to wind up, I must say this thing. This time that you spent with us, the school has benefited very, very highly from you, Ma'am Apurva ma'am. Maybe how shall I describe it? Great things in a simple way, or big thing in a short time. You taught us. See, perhaps our teachers, perhaps the school, the teachers knew these things that you taught us. But then we were sleeping, we were rather dormant. What you did was just knocking at the door. You have just awakened us, and we will be better teachers, ma'am. And one more thing, this face will not be a face that we see once and forget. I will make sure that you get to see this face again and again as well.
Thank you, ma'am. So on behalf of the school management, principal and all of us, we have a memento, a token of our love and gratitude towards madam for spending her precious day, a valuable time coming here and training us with the topic nurturing emotional intelligence. Ma'am, please come. Just it's a token of our love for you. Do come back again.
Show on the stage what you really are. Seriously.